Hey there, welcome to the channel. Ever wondered how people make money online? Well, you're in the right place today. We're diving into the world of online income. Stick around because I'm going to show you some real ways to earn money from your computer or phone. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about freelancing. It's a great way to use your skills to make money online. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr are popular platforms for freelancers. You can offer services like writing, graphic design, or programming. The key is to create a strong profile and showcase your best work. Start with smaller jobs to build your reputation. As you gain experience, you can take on bigger projects and charge more. Next, we have online surveys and microtasks. These won't make you rich, but they can add up over time. Websites like Swagbucks and Amazon Mechanical Turk offer small tasks for small payments. You might answer surveys, transcribe audio, or tag images. It's easy to do in your spare time, like when you're watching TV. Just remember to cash out your earnings regularly. Now, let's talk about selling items online. You can sell almost anything on platforms like eBay or Amazon. Start by looking around your house for things you don't need anymore. Take clear photos and write honest descriptions. As you get more comfortable, you might start buying items to resell for a profit. This is called retail arbitrage, and some people make a full-time income from it. Another option is creating and selling digital products. This could be ebooks, online courses, or even digital art. The great thing about digital products is that you create them once and can sell them many times. Think about what skills or knowledge you have that others might want to learn. You could write a guide on your favorite hobby or create a course teaching a skill you've mastered. Affiliate marketing is another popular way to make money online. This involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission on sales. You can do this through a blog, YouTube channel, or social media. The key is to choose products you genuinely like and that fit with your audience. Create content. Platforms like YouTube offer ways to earn money through ads, sponsorships, and selling merchandise. Focus on consistency and making content your audience enjoys. Online tutoring or coaching. Share your skills, whether in academics, music, or life coaching. You can use platforms like VipKid or Check Tutors, or offer services directly through your own website. Writing and content creation. Start a blog or write for other websites, earning through ads, sponsored posts, or even self-publishing books on Amazon. Virtual assistants. Help businesses with tasks like email management and customer service. Look for jobs on freelance sites or network on LinkedIn online trading and investments. Consider stock trading, cryptocurrency, or forex. These are riskier options, so only invest what you can afford to lose and take time to learn. Remember, success takes time and effort, and there are no shortcuts. Choose something you enjoy and work consistently at it. Which option interests you the most? Let me know.